flowers FedExed to you overnight from my finest farms in California and wholesalers. Big boxes of flowers. I recently did a tutorial where I ordered flowers from all the other online companies. I got a bouquet about this big in burlap for $85. I got all of this from Michael's Flower Farm for around $100. This or this. And you also get tutorials, and every time you order from Michael's Flower Garden, I send a second bouquet on your behalf to someone in an assisted living or nursing home, because that's my thing. I did it one year after Valentine's Day in the 90s, and they went crazy. So I say the people in the nursing home, assisted living, and brides are my biggest fans. When I do like this on Saturday morning here. So pretty. So go to Michael's Flower Farm and pick up a box. There's 4 sizes. When you get those flowers home, cut them, put them in warm water. You're going to find a little bottle of my spray. Listen, I'm 102 years old. The reason I look so damn good, okay, I bathe in it nightly. It's basically in the bottle you get, it's basically a melted candle. And when you spray your flowers, you seal in the surface, so the water, that's why your flowers die, because the water comes out the top. They dehydrate. That's why I look so good at 102. So go to michaelsflowergarden.com, order your flowers now, learn how to design, learn how to have gorgeous flowers, learn how to give flowers away. That's the flower power. It's my favorite thing about being a designer is giving flowers away like this and making people happy. Earlier we did the main piece, this beautiful fall sort of shades, late summer, early fall. Then we did the companion piece. This piece we did using Flower Crazy, my QVC invention. Those flowers are almost 2 weeks old, still looking really good. I haven't really babied them either. I should clean the water, put a couple drops of bleach in there, respray them, and cut an inch or 2 off the bottom. That was a Flower Crazy, which makes everything easy. So if you buy flowers, if you've ever tried to arrange, there's another reason too. There's 2 reasons. If you've ever bought a flower before, if you've ever tried to arrange a flower before, I can make a 10 times better experience by getting flowers that last you for weeks and creating beautiful designs. I could do these blindfolded, so could you. So Michael Gaffney saying, keep blooming. I'll see you in more videos. I'm on my way to Los Angeles. It's minus 14 degrees here today. Someone asked me the other day, when am I having my own TV show? I don't have my own TV show, but I do appear on Hallmark Channel a lot. So maybe when I'm in LA, I'll do another segment of Hallmark Channel. Or if you go to flowerschool101.com or my YouTube channel, you can watch me on the Today Show, Hallmark Channel. I just booked a Louisville and Lexington garden clubs. This coming up in June. I'll have more information on that. If you want to attend, you're near Louisville or Lexington, come to the party, the flower party. I'll be doing all kinds of designing, selling books, signing books. We're going to have a class afterwards. So join us there. Michael Gaffney, I know I'm running out of battery, I think, on my phone. I'll see you later. Keep blooming.